Hello there, my name's George. I own and operate Coatings by the Bay. We are based in Kaukauna and serve the Appleton, De Pere, and Green Bay areas. We exclusively install and maintain ceramic coatings, so if you have a newer luxury vehicle, I'd love to talk. What you're looking at now is a 2019 Porsche that came in over the weekend. It had some hard water etching on the hood, so we did a step of paint correction and then applied a 5-year ceramic coating to the full exterior. So this will include paint, rims, glass, trim, literally everything except the rubber. You may be wondering why the doors and trunk are open. That's because he also had a full interior coating applied. This will protect things like the leather, textile, plastics, cloth, you name it. If you're looking for the ultimate protection for your newer luxury vehicle, I hope that you'll reach out. Again, my name is George with Coatings by the Bay. You can reach me directly at 920-659-0023. You can text that number, just send a make, model, year, and I'll send you a quote. Have a good one.